Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for Thursday of May 20, 2021. As you know that America is under cybersecurity attack, and the President Joe Biden just signed up a infrastructure bill that included billions of dollars trying to improving a cybersecurity network, the area of intensified interest after the ransomware attacks on the Colonial Pipeline that sent the U.S. gasoline price soaring last week. I will go over some charts so that we can see which company will have a benefit potential and it's on the way reversal to the upside. And then after that, I will do the market update for you, and we're looking for some stocks to trade. So the first one I'm going to show you here is the ticker symbol is HACK, H-A-C-K. This is a ETF, cybersecurity. So this one is after they pull back, and now they'll be able to find the support and get back above, and then try to move to the upside. So if they can clear the down trend line here, it's potential to move to the upside. And the next one is the BUG, which is another cybersecurity global. This one is very similar. It already found a support. Now they find a way to put it back up. Next one is CRWD. So this one here also try to turn around and find a way to go up also. And CYBR. So this one here, let me see, CYBR. Okay, so this one is also that's called CyberArk software. This company they drop very quickly, and they give you a very good discount at 170, now at 120. They found the support at this level. So in the short term, they still have a lot of work to move, but in the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound to the upside here. And the FFIV, that's another F5 network. They do the infrastructure to support for the network, and that includes a lot of cyber security. So this one is also pulled back down. They found some support right now. In the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound to fill up the gap here. All right, so as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology so that you will know where to get in and get out. You need to be in the right community so that each member will get support and mentor every day and get guiding every morning in our live trading room so that you can make some extra daily future trading income, and you can ask any ticker symbol for a swing trade so that we can help you to confirm your thinking before you take in a trade. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. Now I'm going to do a market update. So first of all, as you know that today the jobless claim hit a pandemic low number, and the market turned around with support of technology, semiconductor, software, and bio sector. So if you look at the SPDR SP 500, so after they found the support, they pull back, they retest, they hold up. Now they looking for the way to put it up to the higher. So on the way up, we're looking for some resistance at the previous high here. So let's see the market be able to follow through and put it up to the upside. And the Dow, it also found a support and then put it back up also the last 2 days here. So let's see tomorrow momentum to keep, put it back up. We will test the first resistance at the 337.64 there. And if you look at the technology stock, they are doing very well. They found a support here, and then they hold up, and then they try to gain momentum. And the last 2 days, it's very strong. They continue to try to put it up to the upside. On the way up, definitely we have some. They have to test the all-time high here. They need to have a lot of resistance here. They have to deal with. But overall, the technology stock is trying to turn around. As you can see, that the volatility index is coming down, as well as a 10-year Treasury note is also coming down. They have a technology stock to bow to the upside. And if you look at the Russell 2000, which is small cap stock, it also found a support. And now they try to find a way to look it up. They need a lot of work to put it back to the upside. But in the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound on short-term trade. And if the three sectors that have the market move up very strong today, that the semiconductor, as you can see here, semiconductor, they found a support and then they push it back up. So some stock in the semiconductor doing very well and try to revert to the upside. As you can see here, that the lattice semiconductor, they found a support and try to find a way to put it back up. LRCX with the Lam Research, that's another strong semiconductor. After correction, now they hold up, put it back down, and put it back up again. And another one at AMAT, Applied Material, that also fall up, but today they hold up here. Tomorrow, if they be able to give you another bullet formation here, they will find a way up also. And the technology stock are doing well, and some stock in the technology stock that we mentioned is still very strong and all the way reverse. Like the C Limited, this one here is very strong, and try to find a way to put it up to the upside there. And some stock like Roku, okay, after they fall off the cliff, now they try to build back the support and find a way up again. And Google, that's another one, they'll be able to find a support and then try to looking for the way to go higher. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with entry, stop loss, and a target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button below, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can update for you on the new market condition a couple of times a week and on the weekend. Again, thank you for watching and good luck in your trading.